Good afternoon. Robert Weichelt here, Superstar REO trainer to the stars. I want to thank you for your time. What we're going to talk about today is the REO resume. Do you have one? What does yours look like? Does it have GRI, XYZ, LMNOP on it? Well, you know what? All those are great designations. However, does yours speak REO? Or is it a traditional resume? Now, here's the thing. The asset manager is who is going to see your resume, and it needs to speak REO. The biggest thing, how many units have you sold? How much volume have you had? What's your BPO accuracy? What is your REO training and certifications? What are your zip codes? The biggest thing you need on your resume, on your REO resume, is what zip codes do you service? For that and much more, go to superstarreo.com or the website below. My name is Robert Weichelt, Superstar REO, agent to the stars. Have a great day.